Hello world, and welcome to my channel. Today I am using a coffee machine on my inverter and showing the current draw of it. Well, I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Cheers. So this is the coffee machine I'm using. It's a DeLonghi machine, and it's 1400 watts. It's an old one. It's an EN520S. So yeah, I've had it since I was 60. I'm now nearly 67. So that's the one I'm using. It's an espresso. Espresso there. DeLonghi and espresso. Yeah, the pod coffee I'm using today is a Law ground coffee Ristretto, or whatever you call it. Its intensity is 11. That's the one I prefer. I also have a Starbucks one, and that's a 10. This one's a bit rougher than this. This is smooth as, and I prefer this one. I don't use my coffee machine as much as I like to use it, mainly because I gain too much weight by drinking coffee. I have 3 a day, but still having it on pure milk sort of puts the weight on a bit. Keep them in a bottle like that, and I can select which one I want. So yeah, I just put them in a bottle like that, and I just release it and take the one out I want, which is the Law. That's the Law one there. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. Pot in there, close it down. Get this. I'm going to get some milk. Put the milk in here. Should be enough to do a copy. Put this on top. Put this up here. Slide this one out. Put a cup underneath it. Okay. Now I'm just about ready to go. That's my chocolate shaker. And that's the cup I use. When I finish with the cup, it just gets the drips. They don't drip all over the place. So you can see it's 100%, 119 amp hours in the battery, and it's just ready to go on. So I'm going to turn the inverter on here now, and that's the inverter on. It's plugged into a power board, which is plugged into the inverter, down to a power board, and I'm going to power it up. I'm going to turn it on. Hang on, I just can't see. So I'm going to turn it on up here. So yeah, I just got to wait for it to heat up. At the moment it's drawing 113 amps, 100 amps, 98, 32. It's still flashing, you can see it flashing up there, heating up. So it's ready to go. So as soon as I'm going to push this button for a cappuccino. So yeah, you can see the current there now. It's drawing 98 amps of current. It'll vary of course, but around the 98 amps. You can see it going in. So yeah, that's all finished. Smells good. Oh. Yeah, so it used 2 amp hours of current to make one coffee. The inverter's still on, you can see the light on it. That's still on. It's only, I set it the size I like. I don't like it too full and too weak. And that's it. So, that's the current draw of making one coffee. So you can say to make 2 coffees, it'll be 4 amp hours. Generally I'm by myself, so that's it. So I'm going to turn this inverter off now. I'll turn the machine off first. Yeah, just turn that off there. That's turned off. That'll go off in a minute. And I'll turn this inverter off. Yeah. The inverter's off, everything's off. So I'll take my coffee out of here. I'll put my cup under here. And that's the coffee. I should have stirred it up. Okay, just going to stir it up a bit. Not a lot of froth. I've been clean it out. Just put that on top. That's my coffee. Oh, yummy. So, just going to make a second cup. Whack that in there. Put that down there. Turn this on. Turn the inverter on. So yeah, I'm going to turn the inverter on here. So it's 117 amp hours, 98%. That's heating up. I did clean the machine out just recently, so the first cup is not always the best. So I'm having to try on the second one to make it frothy. Shouldn't have cleaned it out, I suppose. So that's finished there. I'm just going to push the cappuccino button, which is this one. Yeah, 98 amp hour, 99 amp hours, 99 amps it's using. Oh, smells so nice, coffee. So that's it. Coffee is done. Just dripping down there. I'm going to turn this off. And you can see it's 116 amp hours left in the battery, 97%. So making 2 cups of coffee, it used 4 amp hours. Well, 3 you could say. It was 119 in there when I started, so now 116, so it's 3 amp hours is used to make 2 cups of coffee. I'll turn this inverter off now. That's off, and that's it. So I'll just bring my coffee down here, adjust it down a little bit. Just going to take the coffee down to here. It's all frothed up. Put that up under there. Just give it a stir. That's it. Yummy. Well, I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Cheers. Yummy. Bye.